Welcome everyone. So in previous video we discussed about planning your future and creating an extra source of income and what are the three types of income that every person should have in their life in their during time period for securing a suitable future for them and for their family. So now the question arises, who are we? How we know this much all about and how we are gonna help you in this. So let's proceed. Who are we? We are Trinate Initiative, powered by Beneficus Technologies Private Limited. We are a skill development program working in an education sector. Now, who am I? Hi, my name is Ravi Singh. I'm the founder of Beneficus Technologies Private Limited, Director of Operations Trinate Initiative. I have designed the Trinate Initiative Director Program, and in the meanwhile, I am being a business growth consultant and a human behavior analyst and a personality development practitioner. These are the few things which I've learned along the journey through creating this company. And after being more than 5 years into this and almost 8 years, including job and business, I came across certain experience which I'm gonna share you through my whole journey. Why are we here? Why it's so important? The focus on providing e-learning course to people, ability to make better financial decisions, effective management of money and debt, greater equipped to reach financial goals, reduction of expenses through better regulation. Trinate Initiative also provide them an opportunity to become an affiliate with us and earn commission on promotion of courses available on platform. Why it's so important? Financial freedom is important to business and individuals because when you are financially freed, you aren't worrying about how you will pay your bills or certain expenses, and you aren't burdened with a pile of debt. Budgeting can help you control your spending, track your expenses, and save more money. We are here for whom? Whom this gonna help? For those all people who are looking out to become financially secured and want a comfortable present and secured future requirement. Who all can be benefited from a platform and for whom it is. Number 1. Students. If you are a college going student and want to earn some extra income to be self dependent, then this platform is for you. Because when students have financial freedom, instead of needing to depend on their parents, they can go a long way to their lives and build a successful career. Second, this is for professionals. If you're working full time and still struggle sometime to fulfill basic needs and wanna never face those situations again, then platform is for you because an additional source of money can keep you prepared for any contingency like unemployment. Even when your additional source of income is low, it can give you time to plan better. Third, side hustlers. Now, I love these people. There are these people, some people are never satisfied with what their current situation and always look out for financial freedom, and then this platform is for you because while cutting your budget is great and all making more money is great too. It allows you to save more money because you can only cut your budget by so much. Your income on the other hand can grow by an endless amount. The last is the biggest thing and it's gonna help these people more. If you're an unemployed and fresher, don't worry about it. We all have faced the COVID crisis and gone through financial insecurities, and many of us have lost our jobs. Also, it stays always then its platform is for you because I believe that earning extra income can completely change your life too. You can stop living paycheck to paycheck. You can pay off your debt and more, all by learning about the money, many different ways to make it. Who else can be benefited from this? Housewives, bloggers, writers, influencers, social media promoter, internet marketer, freelancer, network marketer, content creator, affiliate marketer. How it helps and what are benefits? Number 1. No interview or experience required. Your flexible timing is needed. Control your expenses. Huge options to earn. No dress code needed. You decide your own salary. You can work globally. There's a long-term income option. Less health problems. There is no stress into it. And your working environment is according to you as you chose it. From us, You get the benefits are professional training or 101 session, continuous skill growth, job assistance, letter of intent, letter of internship, offer letter, e-certificate, lifetime study content access, premium digital group and club access, and discount on all paid mentorships, webinars, workshop, ebooks, and a lot more, many much more. How it works? Number one, you create an account on us, okay, with free. Next, you get access to exclusive training that you will present you with the most important information about earning online and all essential tools to generate profit. Number two, you choose one of 100 affiliate programs available on platform which promotion wish to start. You can choose among different categories. If you have a problem with choosing a campaign, we will be happy to help you. We will generate your unique affiliate link. You get paid for every action that the customer will make from your recommendation. Your commission depends on product service you promote. You can achieve and receive even up to 5,000 for one customer. Start the promotion of affiliate program. You can promote them on your websites, for example, your blog. You can also use social media, groups on facebook.com or internet forums. The idea for promotion depends entirely on you. Step 5. You can conveniently withdraw your money at any time to a bank account or one of our popular online wallets. Your remuneration will be sent as soon as possible without any delay. Congratulations, you have received the money without leaving home. Now, so how we fit in? We host various programs from around the industry. You can trust our programs with results. Use affiliate program with Trinate Initiative account and trust the innovative affiliate network. Appreciated by large training programs from various industry practitioners in India and in the world. Gain with objectively the best. Monetize your website far more effectively. Notice real profits and use affiliate marketing to earn more. Remember, think 10 times before you quit your daily job. Must have passion to do the work fully, giving your 100%. Discipline, that's the biggest thing. You need to maintain discipline or follow a strict schedule. Have patience. Rome was not built in a day. Similarly, don't expect too high income within a first day of your home job. But you will earn, that's definitely fixed. Be more productive and efficient. Be more competitive as you would get less competitive environment. Disclaimer: you might face difficulties and failure sometimes, but you should enjoy those difficulties. Learn from those mistakes, and if you have that determination and enthusiasm to do the work, success will eventually come at your doorstep. Guys, this is not only the motivation, this is the real life practice of many people these days. Because the Rome was not built in a day, as I told you earlier. Success do not comes overnight. You have to walk along with it, and this platform is gonna give you huge potential to earn for a long run. Okay? So here are a few testimonials. Martin Morris, Aman Tomar, Avila Shajjal, Laila Vai, Dheeraj Verma, Manisha Singh. They all are because we have a candidate from globally. Here are the few certificates who are already trained from us. You can find the details over here. So after that, you can reach out to us, and at any point you face any problem or you want to understand something, you can reach out to our details over here. Okay? So see you on the other side. Have a good day. Thank you.